If you're going to Disneyland soon and you want to ride the new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway attraction, then you're going to need to successfully join the virtual queue. If you're worried and thinking, what if I miss out? Don't worry, here's a 5 step-by-step tutorial for how you can successfully join the virtual queue and get on this new ride. But first, why a virtual queue and not a regular line? After decades of guests complaining about super long lines, especially for new attractions, Disney decided to use a virtual queue system to help manage crowds. Now, once your boarding time is called, you still may have to wait a bit, but it won't be nearly as long as the maybe 5-hour wait that could happen when a new attraction opens. So first up, you'll need to download the free Disneyland mobile app. I recommend that just one person in your party is in charge of the virtual queue. In the past, there have been some issues when multiple people try, so have that one person link everyone's tickets to their account. To link your tickets, just tap the menu button at the bottom of the app, and then tap Tickets and Passes. In the next screen, you'll see a plus button to add everyone's tickets. So to join the virtual queue on the main page of the Disneyland app, you should see this section that says Disneyland Virtual Queue. An hour before it's time to join the queue, you'll be able to confirm your party. To do this, just tap Join Virtual Queue, and then in the next screen, you should see something like this that says Confirm Your Party. From there, just select everyone's tickets that you want to get the virtual queue for. And that brings us to part 3 about the times when you can join the virtual queue. The queue for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway will open twice each day at 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. If you have a reservation for Disneyland Park, you can join the 7 a.m. from anywhere, including your home. The 1 p.m. time slot is open to anybody who has a Disneyland reservation or a Disney California Adventure reservation with a Park Hopper ticket or Magic Key. So yes, if you're starting your day at Disney California Adventure, you won't be able to join the 7 a.m. You'll have to wait to join the 1 p.m. Also, for the 1 p.m. time, you will need to have scanned into one of the parks to join it. However, you can only join one of the virtual queues for this ride per day. So if you get in at the 7 a.m. time slot, you won't be able to join the 1 p.m. Also, usually it's easier to join the second time than it is the first time. Okay, so part 4, just before it's time, make sure you tap Join the Virtual Queue on the main page, followed by Confirm Party. And then it should bring you into this page where you'll see a refresh button at the bottom. Right when it's time, hit that refresh button and you'll see the page change. You'll see the Join Virtual Queue button appear. You need to move fast through all of this, so tap it as fast as you can. The virtual queue could go in seconds, so be prepared. And before I show you the last tip, make sure you hit the like button on this video. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button too and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future Disneyland tips. Okay, so part 5. Once successful, you get a boarding group number for your party. It also may give you a rough return time for when you can go back and experience the attraction. Just head over to Toontown when your time is called and show the barcodes given to you with your boarding passes on the app. If you have a Magic Band, it should also be linked to that, as well as your regular park ticket. Also, if you miss out, Disneyland does offer a paid individual lightning lane. These prices change depending on the day, but you can purchase this in the Disneyland app. Just find the attraction's name on the map, scroll down a bit, and tap this lightning lane button before paying. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is incredible and totally worth it. And if you want more Disneyland tips, make sure you follow me for more.